Now before I proceed, don't forget to subscribe and like. Also hit the bell button for more updates and notifications. So, let's begin. So as you can see, these are the different types of plies that we normally use. I'm going to explain it one by one and the sizes that are available in the market. These are all drop forge special stool steel and they're all nickel plated. So let's start with this first one. The first one is combination pliers. Now based on the name, you know it's a combination of most. Just later I will explain. So this combination pliers is normally used for when you're trying to splice a cable, the body from the wire. So normally you use the lower part, which is the cutting one. Then normally I use is I cut first circularly, then I pull the body out of the wire. So it's an example of this one here. This is where I cut this. So I cut the yellow one first, so the wire will remain. So that's what I use. I cut first and then I pull it out using the tip of this one, the combination pliers. The combination pliers has 6, 7, and 8 inches long, so it depends on what you need. I normally use the 6 inches one. Next up is the diagonal cutting pliers. The diagonal cutting pliers is normally used for cutting, especially diagonal. Based on the name. Based on the name. It also cuts the wire as a whole. When the combination one, because I use the tip one, so I can pull it out. While the diagonal one is for cutting it smoothly and thoroughly, clean cut, if I would say. So the cutting pliers has 2 sizes. It's a 6 and 7 inch long. So again, everything will be based on what you need at home or at work. Next up is the long nose pliers. I think we all know what the long nose does. The long nose is usually for pulling the wires, and sometimes when alambre, I use alambre, I normally knot it together. So yeah, may time na nasukatan ako, like it really hurts, really bad, and it bled a lot actually. It's painful. That's why I totally recommend the long nose. It's much more safer. So the long nose has 2 sizes. It's 6 inches and 8 inches long. And then here we have the bent nose pliers. It comes in only one size. So what is a bent nose pliers? A bent nose pliers normally is used when, for example, a junction box. Of course, there are times that the wires are inside and we cannot pull it out based on the edges of the place. So we normally use the bent nose one to pull it out from the curve and out of the hiding place. If you will need some of this together, we have available sets, which is this one. So we have the combination pliers, the long nose, and the cutting. So chanan! Yes, it is! It's a 3 pieces pliers set. I would go with this. I totally am really for this. So now, besides this one, I'll be introducing you another version of this. So guys, before I forget, we have a mini long nose available and we have a mini set available as well. So this is the other series that I was telling you about. This is the Grip Pro series. Now what is the Grip Pro series? Grip Pro series is this one, this design. This patented design only for Tolsen. So this one comes with the sealing of the grip so that it won't easily slip off or it won't slide off your hand. It's amazing. Then we have what we call the CRB. Now what's the CRB? This is the chrome vanadium steel. What is that? So usually it's silver, it's color silver, but this is black finish, so you get it's color black. Okay, so this is also a high grade pure steel finish. So you can also see that it is industrial grade. Yes, it's industrial grade. You can see it on the upper right of the packaging once you check it out. Then we have the combination pliers. Then we have the diagonal cutting pliers. Then we have the long nose. And we also have the bent nose. So this also comes in sizes. So the combination pliers has 6 and 7 inches. The same as the diagonal cutting, which is also 6 and 7 inches. Then the long nose has the 6 and 8 inches long. And the bent nose has 6 inches. The same as the regular one. Now what is the difference between the regular and the Grip Pro? As I've said earlier, the difference is, first one is the design, the patent design here. Because it's only made for the industrial grade. At the same time, it's color. You can see this one is silver finish and this one is black finish. So it is really from the materials also used because this is really high grade, high end. Then I have a good news. Drum roll, please. Just like the regular one, this also comes in set. It's a 3-in-1 set. So if ever you're gonna buy the 3 of the Grip Pro series, which is the cutting, combination, and the long nose, just buy this. It's a lot easier. But if ever you're gonna buy 2, then why not buy the set as well? Because we wouldn't know when we'll need it, or let's say kapag binili mo dalawa, then kapag nandyan ka na, you're doing something, then you're gonna need the other one that you don't have. E di, sayang. Then get this one. It's better for the future use. But anyway, it's all up to you, of course. I'm just giving my opinion. So that is all what I can do for you today, and I hope to see you on the next video, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested with our products, you can visit our official website at www.TOLSEN-NATICS.com.ph. We're also available on Lazada, Shopee, and GrabMart. Or you could drop by our stores. Links are provided on the description below. Again, don't forget to subscribe. This is Nagtahan signing off.